Julle, ons groet julle vanuit 'n baie mooi seesterk kombuis hier in the Farm Lifestyle Center. En ons kuier saam met Pastoor Adri. Ons is live op His Vision op in en om Moederstad en op in en om Swartland, sowel as van Groot Radio. En ons luister vanoggend bietjie na 'n Engelse devotion. Welkom Pastoor.
Yes, good morning everyone. Thank you Marilee, and welcome to each and everyone that's in the live stream. It's always a privilege. You never know where you actually do the live stream from. This week is quite a surprise for me, so we're all around St. Helena Bay, but it doesn't matter where we do our live stream from. The Lord is always with us wherever we go. And today's theme, I want to give the title Your Maker, but also Your Best Friend. And this comes from a story that is something very personal to me, Marilee. And that is a woman that had a great influence on my life, and she was my grandmother. Now, she was amazing. We had the privilege to have her in our home since we were small children. We were staying on a huge stand, and she had her own flatlet. We had access to her day and night. She was like a second mom to us. And she was always known for being somebody that's always thankful. If there's one trait or characteristics about my grandmom, she was always happy. And she didn't have it always good as a child, especially. She was she had to go through things where she had to forgive, but there was no bitterness or depressed or a victim mentality. It was just great the way she taught us to be thankful. She even said at the age of 92, she said, Lord, I'm praying that you will make me willing to go, because she loved life at that age. And when I was 11 years old, she was already a widow, but then she met a man which I call my grandfather. That's the only grandfather I knew. And they married at the age of 76.
Oh, wow.
And God blessed them for 16 years. They were happily married. She passed away just before she should have turned 93, and he passed away 5 years after at 98. So they were really blessed. But you know what? One of the things that I remember from the life of my grandmother was, there was one day when she went to a sermon and she came back and she talked to my